How to fix no notification sound in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and then click on app notifications. Now here you can enable your app notifications. If you turn off notifications, then turn it on. After turn on notifications, then go back and scroll down and here you can see the option software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.